Tariffs. They're all anyone can talk about. But in this moment, the people we need to be hearing from are the financial advisors. We need the guidance of wealth management teams more than ever. So, have you been trying to get your message out and have been disappointed with the quality or how you come across on camera? We understand that you didn't get into finance to be on TV, but ever since COVID, you and everyone else has embraced being on virtual meetings. And now, to cut through the noise, we want to help you stand out. Let Optimum Films outfit you with a system that will make the process of delivering that advice in a video seamless and effortless. One-button recording, high-quality audio and video, and packages that start at under $1,000. Drop a comment below if you'd like to know more, or visit us at wealthmanagementvideo.com.